This file is likely from Visual Basic. It's an obsolete form file. Unless you have a legacy coding environment, it's hard to run. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to view the text inside. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange PAG formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. The PAG extension is universally interchangeable with other files in the data file group. The final archival is processed via the Visual Basic property page file method. The PAG file type is typically a proprietary database, page file, or index file. It is used internally by various database systems, like Paradox or MySQL, to store chunks or pages of data that make up the main database tables. The creator depends on the database engine. The design rule is a low-level structural requirement, where the database engine divides its storage into fixed-size pages, which are managed by the operating system to optimize disk, I/O, and retrieval efficiency. For full editing functionality, PAG requires Microsoft Visual Basic, which is supplied by Microsoft Corporation. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the PAG file and click Open With. Test Microsoft Visual Basic if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your PAG file is not opening. First, use Adobe PageMaker. Open the file using Adobe PageMaker, as this is the primary and required application for this older format. Next, use text recovery. If the file is corrupt and PageMaker fails, try using text recovery features in other Adobe products or a specialized PAG recovery tool. Finally, check for corruption. If the file crashes PageMaker, the file is likely corrupt. Try reverting to the last known good backup or asking the sender for a fresh copy. If the system rejects the PAG file, the tool capable of raw data reconstruction is the correct next solution to try. FileMagick provides genuine peace of mind. Its incredible feature is the instant, reliable viewing of PAG file content, regardless of whether the file extension is present or correct. Visit FileMagick.com to download. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.